Hello traders, welcome back to Trading Life Masters. This is Zicheng here. Once again, I'm one of the lecturers on trading.life. In this video, I'm going to share a very simple gold scalping strategy that is good for beginners. It's very easy to use and it's easy to understand. So before we start, I hope you can first press the like button, share it with your friends, and lastly, subscribe to this channel for future videos. Thank you for your support and let's get started. Let's begin our gold scalping strategy. So gold is actually an asset or a currency pair that most traders love to trade because you can make tons of money in a very short time, but you can also lose tons of money in a very short time because gold has one of the fastest movements, and when you have fast movements, it means you are able to make a lot of money and also lose a lot of money. So let's begin our 5-minute strategy here, our gold scalping strategy. So what do you need on the chart first? Let me show you. Firstly, you need two moving averages for this strategy. It is the two exponential moving averages right here. So once you click it, you can see there are two lines on your chart right now, but this is not the setting that we want. So we are going to change the setting. So you head over here under settings, change to 8. So this is correct, 8 and 14. So we want two moving averages, which is the 8 and also the 14. So what is this moving average? So of course we can change the style of it. Let me make it slightly thinner. So you can change the size of it here, and of course you can change the color. So when the price is above two moving averages, it is an uptrend. When the price is below the two moving averages, it's a downtrend. So how do we actually trade this strategy? It is very simple. So what do we need to look for? Firstly, you need to make sure you are in a trending market. Do not trade when the price is very close to the moving averages. We want to see the candlesticks away from it, showing us a direction. Okay, so something like this is not good because it's just bouncing with the moving averages. So what do we look for? We want something like this, where the price is above the moving average. The second thing you want to look for is big candlesticks. Why big candlesticks? Because when there's big candlesticks, we know that there is strong buying pressure or there is strong selling pressure. So the strategy comes in over here. We have a strong bullish candlestick here. You are going to take a buy here. Once it closes, place your stop loss very tight, probably slightly below this candlestick, and have at least a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and look what happened, easily hit TP. So let me repeat once again what is the reason of this trade. Firstly, we want to see price is above the moving averages, and second, we want to see strong big candlesticks, which in right here we get a very strong bullish one. Then we enter and place our stop loss and have at least a 1 to 2 target. Next one, let's move on. So next one, another one here. We have a big candlestick here. This is a buy and price is above the moving averages. We are going to enter here, place our stop loss slightly below, and have a 1 to 2 risk to reward target, and look what happened, easily hit TP. So let's try another one. So here we have the price is crossing down the moving averages and we have a big bearish candlestick. So we look for sells. So we're going to take a sell here, place our stop loss right above, and at least a 1 to 2 risk to reward target. So we get a TP here. Look, it's very simple. Look, when the market is like this is totally not suitable. So when are you going to get volatile movements? Of course, during London session or during the New York session. It's much better to trade in sessions like this. Next up, we have here, price is below the moving average and we have a strong bearish one. We take a sell here. Once it closes, place our stop loss as tight as possible, slightly above it, and have a 1 to 2 risk to reward target, and look what happened. Price hit TP. So you can see it is very simple, but it is very important to have a good risk management and have a stop loss, because I can give you the best strategy in the world, but if you do not have the right mindset, you do not have the right risk management, you are still going to lose your account. Here comes an end to this video. I hope you have fully understood how this strategy works, but remember this, it is not a 100% winning rate strategy, so it is still a must to do your own backtesting and also risk management. Besides that, I also host daily live streams on trading.live, so if you're interested, you can join me there, where I have daily live streams, daily analysis, and educational sessions as well. Once again, I hope you have liked the video, share it with your friends, and lastly, subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Goodbye and trade safe.